Okay, so this is how to put lifters in a 7.3 IDI. I have my 7.3 out right now, but you don't have to have it out to do this. You don't have to have the heads off either. You just have to have the intake off and the intake gasket. And you will come across a valley pan that sits right in here. There's 3 bolts. You take that out. You got these little butterflies that hold your lifters in place. Now what this does and why they're there for a reason. Alright, so they sit right there. So this is the reason they are in there. When you pull this out, to make sure that shaft down there turns this, they will only run, that butterfly can only be on there when they are like this. When it's like that, butterfly won't set. Suppose I did put it in like this. Okay, so it's put in wrong right now because the flat sides are right here. The butterfly will not sit right there. It will not go on that. It will only go right there. And now the lifter is sitting correctly. But that's all you have to do is take the intake off, intake gasket. This valley pan right here, and you have 16 lifters. I got these for I think they were 145. I had a couple that were bad, but that's how you put them in. And there's no real trick to putting them in. If you take a look at one of the lifters, it actually has this little hole in the side, and that hole does not matter where it is, because either side you put it in on, it will end up on the side right. It'll either end up on this side or this side, not the top or bottom. So that's how you put 7.3 IDI lifters in.